Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare and cook delicious jellyfish at home. Always start with food-grade preserved jellyfish from a reputable Asian market. Once you have it, the first crucial step is rinsing it thoroughly under cold running water for about 5 minutes. This helps remove surface salts. Then, soak it in fresh water, changing the water every hour for 3 to 4 hours. This ensures proper desalting and a pleasant texture. To create a fantastic jellyfish dish, you'll need a few key ingredients and basic kitchen tools. Gather sesame oil, light soy sauce, and rice vinegar, which form the base of many dressings. Fresh aromatics like minced garlic, grated ginger, and sliced green onions are also crucial for a vibrant flavor. Essential equipment includes a large pot for blanching, a colander for draining, and a sharp knife for slicing. Having everything prepared beforehand ensures a smooth cooking experience. The next critical step is blanching, which gives jellyfish its characteristic crispness. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, ensuring there's enough water to completely submerge your jellyfish. Dip the desalinated jellyfish into the boiling water for a very brief period, only about 5 to 10 seconds. This quick flash cooking firms it up without making it tough. Immediately transfer the blanched jellyfish into an ice bath to stop the cooking and preserve its desired crunchy texture. After blanching and draining thoroughly, slice the jellyfish into uniform strips, typically about 1/4 inch thick. This ensures a consistent bite. Now, prepare your flavorful dressing. Whisk together sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, minced garlic, and fresh ginger, adding a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. Gently toss the sliced jellyfish with this vibrant dressing. You can also incorporate other ingredients like shredded cucumber or carrots for added texture and a refreshing, delightful salad. With your jellyfish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.